One of the things that distinguishes our garden center is the fact that we offer design services and our expertise to a full comprehensive landscape plan, be it virtual or in person.
Like many of you, I'm getting excited for planting this spring. One area that I really enjoy is planting evergreens. McKay Garden Center offers a wide variety of dwarf evergreens, which I think are a great way of adding a distinct look to your yard.
I really love hydrangeas. There's so many different types of them out there. Some of my favorites are one called Bobo, which is the tiny little white flowered one that'll add just a cute accent to your yard. And the newest one is called Summer Crush. It's coming out this year and I'm really excited about having it. It's a beautiful pinky red flower and it's going to add a brilliant spot in your yard.
We're excited to announce that McKay Garden Center will be offering an expanded perennial selection this year.
From grasses to coneflowers will add color to your yard with favorites grown right here in Wisconsin.